and welcome to this tutorial. It's a quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can create a cover page and an ebook cover page for that reason. And this is for anyone who is looking to monetize their ebooks and earn an income from it. So head on to canva.com on your web browser and click on create design, then just type in ebook cover page. I'm going to select the ebook cover, and once I'm in, it's going to give you a blank page. So a blank page like this one is going to appear. So what you're going to do, just wait for it to load, and then you're going to have templates on where to select, a variety of templates to select from. Make sure it's not on the pro version where you'll need to pay. So I'll just pick something so simple, click on it and drag, and say I want to create an ebook on weight loss. So I'll highlight the text and type in my text and say I'm not comfortable with the color the background of this template, so I'll just highlight it. You can see the purple, then click on this icon and say change it to a green. Okay, that's on the pro version. You can create a color that fits the gradient that you want. That's much better. And then for the image, because we are talking about exclusive weight program, I'll just come here, change this, say by Oak Naturals, and then that's my brand name. And then because it's not visible, just change the font size, then go to my images or photos. You want to change the photo, so just type in weight loss and it's going to give you a range. So I'll take this one, which is not on the pro version, click on it and drag it. And that's how easily, guys, it is to create a cover photo. So once you're done, just click on share, and you can as well change the name, but for me it has already highlighted the correct name. So click on share, then download, and just a minute, guys. On the share button, you can either click it as a link or a template link. You can as well share on your social media platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, and all you need to do is just link up all these social media pages to Canva. But for me, I want to download it, and it's either going to tell you, give you a suggestion of either PNG, which is best for complex images and illustrations, or a PDF. But because I want to have this as upload it as a cover image, I'll just click on PDF, then click on download. And then once it's done, you can view it on your downloads. And this is how it's going to look like. So I hope for more videos like this, remember to please subscribe and hit the subscribe button.